In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add pop-up notes when you create a scene and you want to have your scene identified when you open it, and also how to remove those pop-up notes, because sometimes they can be annoying if they are always present with the scene. So that's the subject of this video. So I'm going to create a sphere, which is going to be my scene. Just one object. We're not going to go too fancy on this. And what I want to do is that every time that I load up this scene, I'm going to save this to start with. I'm going to save as, or just save. I'm going to call it my sphere. And every time that I load this file, I want to see a pop-up note that says this is my scene and I've created it and I want to have my name identified with it. So to do that, we have to go into the customize user interface. And we have to define where we want those pop-up notes menu, because they're not there by default. They're not in any of those menu here. They're not in the quad menus. They're not anywhere. They're just hidden in the customize user interface. So if you want to do that, I'm going to go here in the menus, and I'm going to go into the main UI, and I want to actually go into the tools here, and I want to add the pop-up notes in the tools. So to do that, I'm going to go in the Hall commands, and one of them is called pop-up notes, and you have one that's called pop-up note and the other one that is called delete pop-up notes. So I'm going to create an item here, just going to put add pop-up note, and the other one here is going to be delete pop-up note, and I'm going to just put in the separator here, and I can close that now. So if I go in tools now, you'll see that add pop-up note and delete pop-up note has been added as an item for the menu. So I'm going to add a pop-up note, and I'm going to say I am the author, and this is my sphere. I have worked on this a lot, so please do not steal it from me. And I'm going to add this pop-up note. And I'm going to save it again. So now if I reset and I open my sphere and open it, you're going to get a pop-up note. This is my name and the comments. This is my sphere. I have worked on this, blah, 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 and click OK. And every time that I'm going to load this scene, if I load it again, it's going to pop up that pop-up note every single time. So if you want to send a message to someone, if you want to, this is where you are at this level for this scene, someone is doing the night shift and you want to give them a very important message, just add the pop-up note and it will always come up before they open the scene. If I want to delete the pop-up note because I want to continue to work with that scene, I can go here and say delete pop-up note. It's going to tell me, are you sure? I'll say yes. And the note has been deleted. So now if I save this guy, it's important to save. So if I open my sphere again, the pop-up note will not show up. So again, go in customize user interface. You choose where you want to put it. If you want to put it in quads, for example, you can go here and say, well, category, pop-up notes. Where are they? Pop-up notes, and I can drag those pop-up notes into quad menus or anywhere in the interface where I want to have access to them. I can even link them to keyboard shortcuts if I want to. So that's how you add pop-up notes in